As you can see here in this, I entered a trade not too long ago. We got a liquidity sweep from that wick. That wick looks really good, to be honest. So I entered on the acceptance. Bit of drawdown, but then we pushed up to the 6.5, just missing my TP. And then we shot back down quite fast, and that kind of scared me. So I got out at a small win, and yeah, we'll see what happens here. So as you can see, this is going back in time, and this was back at my entry. So as you can see, I entered a trade and the acceptance back above that SFP level, and that SFP level, it was a pretty solid SFP, to be fair. My entry should have been, my stop loss should have been below the low. Being a greedy fucker, I decided to put it halfway through the wick, which sometimes can work, but as you will see in this case, it didn't. So if I play this, we'll see what happens, alright? So we get a push up to the 618, right off this resistance, may I add. If this resistance was drawn correctly, which it wasn't in the previous video, you see that we hit it perfectly. Anyway, and then we dance around all this choppiness. This is where I got out because I got scared, as much as I don't want to admit it. After pumping that hard and then coming down, I was like, yeah, nah. I'm not letting this winning trade turn into a losing trade, so I got out at break even. After dancing around, I eventually get stopped out, bang, quickly. And this is why stop loss should have been below the low. It would have been safe and sound, even at the low. Yeah, we played a carry on. I'm definitely going to need to drag this box over. If I put my stop loss back to where it was, you can see that after this breakout of the trend line, my take profit got hit. Now, if I was to target the same risk to reward with the stop loss, but at the low, let's say, targeting these bad boys of highs. Okay, I don't really know what's gonna happen next, so yeah, take profit it. So if stop loss was further, then it would have worked, right? Give your stop loss breathing room. It should have been under that low anyway. I don't know what I was thinking there. You could have, could have stayed in the trade and TP could have got hit. This was just a little trade overview, recap. So yeah, all in all, got the direction correct. I guess step loss was just too close. No breathing room, as they like to say. As you can see, we have this falling wedge textbook pattern. Can't get any better than this, can you? We've got the falling wedge, as you can see, textbook falling wedge. We've got the downtrend. Look how they spelled downtrend from trading view as well. Anyway, we've got the downtrend, bang, breakout, claim the high. Downtrend, bang, breakout, claim the high, which is exactly what happened. Now, I was in this trade actually, but I got stopped out because my stop loss was too tight, of course, being a greedy bastard as always. I should have let the stop loss or the trade have breathing room, targeting the target of the pattern, which is the high, which got claimed to perfection. We're still dancing around there, and as you can see, this would have been a 1 to 4 RR, meaning if you risked $1,000, you would have made $4,000, which is not too bad within a day and 8 hours, is it? $4,000 on a prop firm account. That's pretty juicy. But yeah, I mean, this is what being a trader's or trying to learn to be a good trader comes with. I mean, you have to review these trades and you know journal them and improve on them and improve myself 1%, getting better by 1% every day until eventually I'm a beast. So yeah, that's all I got to say, to be honest.